If your printer is printing blank pages, it's usually caused by ink/toner, driver, or software issues. Not a serious hardware failure. Here's a clear breakdown of why it happens and how to fix it. Common reasons and fixes. 1E empty or clogged ink/toner. Why it happens.
Ink cartridge is empty or dried.
Toner not seated properly. Fix. Check ink/toner levels. Remove and reinstall cartridges. Run head cleaning nozzle check from printer settings. 2 protective tape still on cartridge. Why it happens. New cartridges often have sealing tape. Fix. Remove cartridge. Peel off all protective tape. Reinstall firmly. 3 wrong printer selected. Why it happens. System sends job to a virtual printer PDF, XPS. Fix. 1. Open control panel. 2. Go to devices and printers. 3. Right-click your printer. 4. Click Set as default. 4. Corrupted or outdated printer driver. Why it happens. Driver conflict after Windows update. Fix. Uninstall printer driver. Restart PC. Download and install latest driver from manufacturer website. 5E print spooler issue. Why it happens. Print service stuck or corrupted. Fix. 1. Press Windows plus R2. Type services.msc3. Find print spooler. 4. Restart the service. 6. Incorrect print settings. Why it happens. Print blank pages enabled. White text on white background. Wrong paper size. Fix. Check print preview. Disable print blank pages. Confirm correct paper size and orientation. 7. Clogged print head inkjet printers. Why it happens. Printer not used for a long time. Fix. Run deep cleaning head cleaning 3 times. Print a test page. 8. Application specific problem. Why it happens. Software sending incorrect print data. Fix. Try printing from Notepad or PDF. Update or reinstall the problematic application. Quick checklist. Ink/toner present protective tape removed correct printer selected driver updated print spooler running print settings checked.